How to cook pasta in the microwave. First, get a microwave-safe bowl or dish. Add the amount of pasta you want cooked to the bowl. Leave at least an inch from the top. Now fill the dish up with water until it's covering the pasta by at least a quarter inch. Put the dish in the microwave for at least 10 minutes. Don't cover it. Stir the dish occasionally and check the tenderness of the pasta. When the pasta gets as tender as you want it, take it out and drain the water. If it's not as tender as you want, add another 10 minutes and continue to repeat the process until it's to your liking. Once the pasta is completely drained, let it cool for a minute, and then add the toppings to your desire. Enjoy it or don't.